I'm going to show you how I use AI to make stunning elements for my clients' Shopify stores that help them stand out from their competitors.
The first thing I'm going to do is grab one of their product photos and save it to my computer. The next thing I'm doing is bringing them into Canva so that I can remove the background with their background remover tool and just grab the product from the image. The next thing I'm doing is bringing these into ChatGPT and asking ChatGPT to create an atmosphere for me for these two products. This is what it gave me. I don't really like this because it's not what I asked for, so I'm going to try it again. This is the second attempt by ChatGPT, and I don't really like this one either because the products don't really look like what they looked like in the initial images, so I'm going to actually go ahead and do this myself on Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm making the file look like this because I want it to go here underneath all these collection blocks. It's going to fit right here under this. First thing I'm going to do is drag my two images into Photoshop. Then I'm going to drag them to the sides so that we've got empty space in the middle. I needed a background for this image, so I went into ChatGPT and asked it to create me something like this. I brought the background into Photoshop, and now I'm going to manipulate these characters a little bit so that I can get it to look the way that I want. All right, I've got the image made, so now I'm going to bring it into Canva so that I can add the text over it. Next thing I'm going to do is create a little section right here. I want one row with one column so that I can make this image stretch across the bottom of this little grid that I've already created. The next thing I need to do is create the image for the mobile version, which is a little bit different from the desktop version. So I've created a Photoshop file with the appropriate dimensions. I'm going to grab my image that I made for the desktop version, pull it in here and edit it a little bit so that it fits on the mobile version. Then I'm going to bring this into Canva and add the text just like I did with the other one. Next thing I'm going to do is bring that image into Shopify over here and add it to the rest of my collection images. And this is how it looks.
I build custom Shopify stores just like this for brands, and all my stores are completely original and unique and unlike anything else that you're going to find out there. So if your brand needs a redesign of their current store or a brand new store, I'll do something just like this for you. Your store will stand out from competitors. I promise you that.